Theodore.
Emily, stop. Emily.
Stop. Stop.
Emily, stop.
Get the fuck
off of me!
She went from 0 to 100. The only sergeant with a body camera in the department.
Tampa, Florida. An officer spots a white Tesla running 3 consecutive red lights at 70 miles an hour. What follows is one of the most explosive DUI stops on this channel.
Lima Bravo Echo Yankee 73. It's a white Mercedes. Powered ratio. Hello.
Hey.
Hi, you have your driver's license with you.
Yeah, I did.
Is your car in park?
Yeah, it's in the car.
Okay.
Hey, I left that bag at your house. My bag's at my friend's house.
Your what?
My bag is at my friend's house.
Okay, is this your car?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, you have any clue why I'm stopping you?
No, why?
Well, you ran 3 red lights and you're doing 70 miles an hour on Armenia. Yep. How much have you had to drink tonight?
I've not drunk anything.
You haven't drank any alcohol at all. Where are you coming from right now?
My friend's house down there.
Okay, where are the wristbands from?
Eden.
Huh?
Eden.
Club Eden? That's where you were earlier?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you want to hop out of the car for me, please? Just you can leave your phone on the seat. You don't have your license in your bag?
No, I left my entire wallet.
Okay. I just need you to leave that stuff on the seat. Phone in your purse there on your seat. Just leave your phone right there. We're gonna come right back here, okay? Just come on back here for me. Just stand here with this officer. I gotta get somebody in the car.
Stay right here, right by your car. You can face the car. Face the car.
Hey, I'm gonna move my car over a little bit.
Okay. Just what's your name? What's your name?
Emily.
Say it again.
Emily.
Emily. Just stay right over here. I don't want you to get by any car. Hang on.
I'm not fucking getting a gun. I'm a fucking child.
Huh?
I was getting my. I literally was just getting my cell phone.
Okay, I can't have you hold your cell phone, okay? Come on over here with me. Come on over here with me. I wanna check your eyes, okay? Alright. Can you turn your front lights off?
Yeah.
Do you have any medical problems at all?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
I'm on 4 different antibiotics right now.
Antibiotics?
I'm on 4 different antibiotics, kidney stones, and I also have a problem with my liver and my kidneys.
Okay.
I was in hospital the other day.
Okay. How often do you take those medications every day?
Yeah, I
took them today.
Well, I've got one of them is 4 times a day, 2 of them are 3 times a day, and 1 of them is twice a day.
Okay. Any physical problems with your body, like any broken bones, anything like that?
No.
Okay. Do you wear contacts?
No.
Okay.
I wear glasses. So.
Okay. Can you put your feet together like this and then arms straight down to your side?
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah. Huh? I can't understand you. You got to speak up. Yes. Yes, it is.
I'm sorry. I'm just having a bad night. My boyfriend moved with me, so I'm just really upset. So
Okay. Well, listen. I need to make sure you're. I need to make sure you're okay to drive. Okay.
I'm not gonna lie. I had 2 drinks.
Okay. Well, look. I just want to check your eyes. Okay. Keep your eyes on it.
Sorry.
Just keep your eyes on the light, okay? Listen. You gotta
sorry.
keep your eyes on the light, okay? You want to finish this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just really upset.
Pay attention to the red light, okay? This is very important.
Yeah.
Brace your side. See that white line right there?
I know.
Yeah.
It's fine.
So,
I know what to do.
well, I gotta explain everything to you, okay?
I know what to do. Like you do the 7 steps or 8 steps, like one in front of the other.
Yep, I'll explain it all, okay? I have very specific instructions that I want you to follow, okay? So if you think you know what I'm about to tell you, forget all of that stuff. Just go off of the instructions that I'm going to give you, okay?
Do you have to keep the camera on?
I have to keep it on, yes, ma'am. It's got to be a recording, yes. So this is the line we're going to use right here, okay? Now I'm going to explain everything to you, and then when I'm done explaining it, I'll demonstrate it, okay? So during the instructions, what I want you to do is put your left foot on the line. Nope, go ahead, back on out loud.
3, 1, 2. I have no balance.
Okay, and you've got to be looking at your foot.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Make sure to keep looking at your foot. Okay, you can stop. Put your foot down. Ooh.
Whoa, Chris, stop.
Hey. Stay back. Stay back. Josh, I'm right here. Josh, I got the other arm.
Emily, stop. Emily.
Stop. Stop.
Emily, stop.
Sarah, back up.
Off of me!
Stop.
Emily, stop.
No. No. Back up. Back up.
Yo, homeboy, that's a little too much.
A bystander watching from the street calls out as the officer and Emily struggle on the ground.
She hit me in the head like 3 or 4 times. Oh, so that, yeah, like we just got a little fight with her. But in the struggle, she.
So you got a unit that's going to handle it?
Yeah.
Can I ask you a few questions?
Hey, listen, sir.
Hey,
It's obvious we have things to do, so I'll answer your questions, but it's limited.
Yeah, so we went to go 10-15, and she started to fight. So I had one handcuff on her.
okay.
She got it, then she got away. She hit me in the back of the head like 2, 3, 4 times.
Are you serious?
Straight punch.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we took her down. She was still fighting. Stood her up. She tried to like donkey kick me backwards.
Slipped out of one of the handcuffs again.
Slipped out of one of the handcuffs.
So you know what I'm guessing?
Yeah.
You got her handcuffs secured now, though, right?
Yeah.
Do you need
She's not gonna get up. She's not gonna get off.
She went from 0 to 100.
Put her left finger or something like that.
The only sergeant with a body camera in the department.
She was like calm as can be, almost like whispering, kind of a whispering voice, real quiet.
Where's your little software?
But so she was southbound on Armenia, weaving in and out of a couple of cars. Then she was doing 68 southbound on Armenia before Kennedy.
Okay.
Ran the red light at Kennedy, ran the red light at Cleveland, ran the red light at Platte.
Okay, this is when
Just
I went out.
boom, boom, boom.
Okay.
Just yeah.
Supposedly her hand is sliced and is bleeding.
Well, it might be from
the
her
cuffs?
fighting.
Yeah.
And the cuffs are. We'll check the cuffs. They might be tight, but wait till he gets the hobbles. 'cause
Yeah.
we'll-
I don't think she's going to kick anymore. She said she was kicking to get the attention so that we would take a look at her hand. I don't know.
Don't trust her. You acted like that.
Like, you should put the handcuffs on me out of nowhere. Like, at least tell me you're arresting me instead of just slamming them on me.
Well, you understand you can't hit a cop.
Did I hit you?
Yeah, you hit me in the top. You hit me in the back of the head a couple of times.
Because I was stressed. Like, I'm scared. Like, I'm not from this country.
Well-
I know that, like, cops hate people that are from this country, and especially black people. So, I'm just scared of you. Like, because obviously you have a reputation. So you're scared of me.
Well, do I seem like a mean or scary person to
It
you?
seems like that, but we have to remember, like, obviously, cops in, from, like, obviously the world over, like, my perspective and what I've been told is, like, cops hate black people and they hate, like, foreigners. So I'm scared of you. Like, I feel like you're gonna shoot me. So I'm scared. Like, I'm really fucking scared.
That couldn't be anything further from the truth. That's the media making it out to.
I know, but you have to
To-
remember, like, a lot of the cops have shot, like, black people and foreigners. So.
And that's just the media making out to fill their agenda. It is. It's the media trying to trying to word things to fit their narrative. Yeah, you can get bonded out. What's that? You have been arrested before?
Yeah.
What, for DUI?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Emily. Hey, I'm gonna, when we get inside, I'm gonna ask you to do a breath test. Are you willing to do that? Okay, I have to read you something first, okay?
I already know what it is. It's fine. I'm saying that.
That's fine. You,
Do the breath test.
that's fine. I still have to, it's still the law of my job that I have to read this, okay? So I'm Officer Barr of the Tampa Police Department. I am now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take the test I am requesting, yes or no? Okay. If you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you've been previously fined under Florida Statute 327.35215 for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you've been previously fined under Florida Statute 327.35215 for a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor in addition to any other penalties which can be imposed by law. Refusing to submit to testing is admissible as evidence in a criminal proceeding. Do you understand what I've just read to you?
Yeah.
Do you still refuse to submit to the test?
Yeah.
Okay, if you change your mind, let me know, okay? Well, you should think about those things before, number one, before you drink and drive. Number two, before you hit a cop. You should think about those
Am I
things.
getting arrested for hitting a cop as well?
Yeah, absolutely, yes you are.
Are you being serious?
Listen, I don't know what world you grew up in, okay? But you're going to face the consequences for what you did. This is something you need to learn from. Yes, sir, they're all secure. Okay.